Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to write constructor function for a SystemC module. Every C++ class must have a constructor. For a normal C++ class, if you don't explicitly write a constructor function, a default one will be auto-generated. However, a SystemC module is different because it must have a unique name, which is required by the base class of sc_module. Therefore, you must have a constructor with at least one parameter. There's a macro provided by SystemC, which is sc_ctor. It is used for convenience when declaring or defining a constructor of a module. There are some restrictions when using sc_ctor. For example, it has only one argument, which is the name of the module class being constructed, and you cannot add user-defined arguments to the constructor. If you need to pass additional arguments when instantiating an object, you have to explicitly provide a constructor function. Now let's take a look at some examples. The first module, module A, we write the constructor function of module A as sc_ctor, then within bracket, module A. Within the constructor function, we can do many things. For example, we are registering a function, func A, to the SystemC kernel, which will be explained in later sessions. Within function A, we do nothing but printing the name of the module. Module C differs from module A because it requires not only a name of the module, but also an actual input of an integer value. Because of that, we must write the constructor function explicitly. It takes two parameters. One is name, which is used to construct the base class. The second parameter is an integer I, which is used to initialize module C's member variable I. Then in the main function, when creating an object for module A, we only pass the name of the module. However, for module C, we have to pass a name and an integer value I, which is 1 here. Now let's run the example. Okay, you can see the name of module A, module B, module 3 all printed. Also for module C, it prints the value of its member variable I, which equals the input value we provided here. Okay, hope this video is useful to you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.